Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and today we'll be creating this plot in Autocad, and I will create all the three views of this plot. And here you can see that I have created all the three views, and here you can see that I have used 5 layers for this: center lines, dimension lines, hidden lines, text, and one is the default layer. So first we'll create all these views, and then I will use layers for these, and then we'll create a simple drawing and we'll save our file to PDF. So let's go to here AutoCAD, and I will select here new, and for the template let's choose, let's say, this one, and I will select open. So first of all I will choose my unit, so I'll write UNIT in the command line, and here you can see that my units are inches, and I will change this precision to maybe up to 1 decimal place and select OK. So first of all I will put off this grid option, and let's go to here, and first I will create this front view, and for the front view let's say the lines visible would be this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so let's create it. First I will make this line, and this dimension is 2, and this is 2, and this is 1, so this is 5, and this upward size is 1. So let's go to your AutoCAD, and let's go to your line, and let's first on this option ortho, and let's make one line here, and the dimension is 5. Remember I am using inches, not millimeters. Just zoom in, and let's go to here again, and this vertical one is 1, so I will write 1 unit and press enter to repeat the command. Let's make it 1 unit again, and let's go back to this view again. This dimension is also 1 unit, and then 0.5 down. So let's go to your line again, and this is 1 unit, and then 0.5 down. Okay, and here you can see that it is 2 and then 0.5 down. Let's go to your AutoCAD again, press enter to repeat the line command or previous command. Let's make it 2 and then 0.5 down, and then I will connect this to this one. Okay, now our front view is completed. I will be creating the hidden lines after the finishing of top view. So let's first draw the top view. Let's go to your line, and I will snap this point, and I will make one line here, and this one is I think 3 inches. So let's make one line of 3 inches, and the width would be same as in the front view. So let's make a box here, a simple rectangle. Okay, now I will project this line and this line in the top view. So let's select line tool, and I will snap this line, and I will make one line here. Similarly, just escape, press enter to repeat the line command, and I will snap this one, and I will join this to here. You can see snapping option here as well. All these snapping options are on. So now I will make the circle here. So this circle is 1 inch here in the horizontal side and 1.5 in the vertical side. So I will make first I will make 2 offset lines, and by using these offset lines I will create the circle. So let's go to your AutoCAD, and this time I will write offset in the command line, and sorry, I will write offset OF, and I will press enter through, and this would be, let's say, 1 unit. Okay, similarly this would be 1.5 unit, and now the center point is right there. Okay, so I'll go to here circle, and I will choose center with diameter, and I will make one circle here, and this would be 1 unit. Okay, because this is 1 and this is 2, so this would be 1. So let's go to your AutoCAD again, and this time I will be making a circle having diameter of 1 unit. Okay, and now we can delete this one, but I will be using this as a center line, so let's not delete this one. Let's reduce the dimensions of this line so that we can use it as center line. Okay, because we have to make a center line, and let's drag it to here. Okay, so now we can create the hidden lines in this front view by projecting the lines here. So let's snap this point, and I will make one line here. Similarly, I will make one line here and one center line here. Okay, now we can trim this portion. So let's go to here, trim command, and press enter, and I will delete this one, I will delete this one, I will delete this one, similarly this one, and this one. Also we don't need this one because the purpose is completed, and I will delete this one. Okay, I will extend this center line to somewhere here and maybe somewhere here. So two views are generated. So next is we will create the right view here, and this dimension is 3 units and this dimension is 1 unit, and this circle would be shown in the hidden lines. So let's go to your AutoCAD again, and this time I will be snapping this line maybe up to here, and I will make one line having 3 units, 3 inches, and then 1 inch, and then I will snap this point up to here and here. Okay, and next is I have to create the center line for this. So we can project this view into this view, but as you can see here, it is at the center because it is 3 units and this is 1.5 units. So basically this circle would be in center. So we can create directly as well. Let's make one line here on the center, and then I can use offset command and press enter, and I will be making 0.5 here and 0.5 here because the diameter was 1, so offset lines would be 0.5. Okay, let's shrink this to here. Similarly, let's shrink this to here. Okay, similarly same operation here. Lastly, as you can see here, we have to make another line here, and this line would be this one. Okay, this one, and it would be hidden in this right view. So basically we have to project this line, and let's snap this one, and let's make one line here. Okay, and let's stretch this line to here. Okay, now all the views are generated, and next is we have to create layers for these, and we will convert our drawing into layers. Okay, so let's go to your layer properties, and as you can see here, we have one default layer, and its line weight is by default, so I can change its line weight to 0.3 and select OK. And now you can see that nothing has happened because line weight command is turned off. So I will turn on this, so you can see that the line weight turned on. Okay, next is I'll go to your layer properties again, and this time I will be creating a new layer. So let's click here, new layer, and this layer would be center line, and the color of this center line, it would be red. Select OK, and the line type, let's go to here, load lines, and let's go to here, let's say this one, center line, and select OK, and I will load this one and select OK. Next is I'll go to a layer again, and this time I will be using a layer hidden lines, and let's go to here color, and I will choose green color for this, and let's go to your line type. I will change line type. Let's go to your load lines, and let's find, let's say I would be using this one as hidden lines, and select OK, and select this one and select OK. And next is I will be using another layer, and this would be dimension layer, dimension line, I'll go to here color. I will change this color to blue. Select OK, and I will change this line weight to default. Similarly, this one also default. This one also default. Next is I will be creating another layer, and this would be text. Black color. So as you can see here, all the layers are created, and now I will convert our model into these layers. So let's first select these and this one and this one, and I will convert these lines to center line. So now you can see that these lines are converted into center lines. So now I will convert the hidden lines. So let's select this one, and this one, and this one, and now I will convert these two hidden lines. So let's go to here, this drop down, and I will select this option, hidden lines. And now you can see that this scale is not correct. So I will just select this one, any hidden line, right click, I'll go to here properties, and I will change its line type scale. So let's say I will reduce this scale to 0.5 and cancel. Okay, so now you can see that this scale is proper for hidden lines. Let's go to your properties, and I will use match properties option. I will select this one, and I will select this one, and now you can see that all the this hidden line scale is same as this one, and I will use same for this one, and this one. And now you can see that the hidden lines are also completed. So next is we will create dimensions. So first let's go to here dimension, and we will adjust these dimensions later. Okay, so let's first go to here, and I will select this width is 1 unit, and this would be 3 units. Okay, similarly, let's say this diameter is 1 unit. Sorry, so to dimension again, select this one, and this dimension is 1 unit, and let's say the dimension from, let's say, here to here is also 1 unit. Let's drag this point to here, and now you can see that it is 1 unit. Similarly, let's say the dimension from this one to this point, it is also it is 1.5 unit. So let's select this one, and I will reduce this to here. Okay, now you can see that it is 1.5 units. Similarly, let's go to your dimension again, and this time let's say this step height is 0.5, and I will select this dimension, and I will drag this to here. Okay, similarly, let's say this dimension is 2 units, and this dimension is also 2 units. Okay, and this dimension is 5 units, and let's say this one is 3 units, which is also defined here. So let's say I will delete this one, so no need to define dimensions 2 times. And let's go to here, and okay, now I will go to a dimension style, dim, and I will use this dimension style. I'll go to your modify, and I will leave all the things as it is. Let's go to your text, and I will use this option ISO standard. Okay, and also for the primary units, I will use decimal, and I will reduce this to maybe 2 decimal places, and select OK and close. And now I will choose this one, all the dimensions, and I will convert this to dimension layer. Okay, I will select this one, and now I'll go to here, this drop down, and I will select this option, dimension lines. Okay, and now you can see that it is not the correct one. So let's go to your layer properties again, and I will change the line type for the dimension layer. So let's go to here, and I will change this to solid line and select OK. And now you can see that this dimension line is correct. Okay. Lastly, I will use text. So let's go to here, text, multi-line text, and I will be let's say I will write AutoCAD practice exercise 2, because I have already created one exercise that you can find in my playlist. And let's write CADable, that is my channel name. Okay, and let's reduce this to, let's say here, and okay, let's convert this to layer. So select this one, I'll go to this drop down and I will convert to text. Okay, we can change its font size. So first select this one, Control A, and I will change this to, let's say 0.3. Okay, and we can adjust this. Let's drag this to here, and okay, let's bold this text. So select this one, Control A, and select this option, bold. Drag this to here. Okay, so we can put off this line weight if you want. Well, the purpose of line weight is to distinguish main part with the hidden lines or center line. So now you can clearly see that this is the main drawing and the other one are the hidden lines or center lines. So now we will convert this drawing to PDF. So press Control P, and let's first select the plotter or printer. I haven't installed a plotter or printer, so I will choose let's say this option, AutoCAD PDF. Okay, and paper to fit, you can choose 1:1 as well, but I will choose here fit to paper, and center to plot. Similarly, I'll go to here this option, what to plot is window, and I will drag a window here. So now you can see here inches and the center to plot, and check this option, plot object line weights, otherwise line weights would not be plotted, and select this option, preview. So now you can see that this drawing is converted into PDF, and now we can save this drawing to PDF. Okay, so just press escape. We can, so here you can see your paper size, but I will not print this one. This is just for practice, and this is just for saving a drawing in PDF. So let's select this option, okay, and now we can save this drawing. So let's name this drawing to AutoCAD practice exercise 2, and you can see here file type is PDF, and select this save. And now you can see that this preview is generated of PDF, and now you can see your drawing here, AutoCAD practice exercise 2, and this is the top view, and the block is 5:3. You can see this dimension here, 5:3, and this is the front view, this is the right view, and this is the text. So basically we have used 4 layers to create, in fact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers to create this drawing. One is the default layer, this is that is the drawing layer, and one is the dimension layer, that is blue. One is the hidden layer, that is green, and blue one is the dimension, and black one is the text. So I hope you have learned something new. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you have learned something new. And now I can hope that you can create a simple AutoCAD drawing, and you can convert AutoCAD drawing to PDF. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, any queries related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you.